All right, hello. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be bleeding the clutch on this 2008 Kawasaki Concours 14. It's actually quite simple procedure. Some of the items that you may need is a star screwdriver, right? I have a syringe, a little bit of rags all the way around. Okay, got a little container, 10 millimeter, and I have a .4. Okay, so let's start this easy. So this is where you're going to fill it. It goes all the way down, and this is where that nipple right here, this is where we're going to bleed it. Okay, so first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew 1, 2, 3 screws, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Okay, we're gonna pop this up. Okay, this is good stuff. I'm just gonna place it right over here. Okay, this guy up here. Okay, okay, it's not bad looking. Okay, and I'm gonna place it right over here. Okay, just gonna fish this out. Okay, okay, not a problem. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my syringe. Okay, and I'm gonna take as much as I possibly can. Okay, just leaving that opening right there. And okay. Okay, a little bit more. So actually the fluid's not too bad. Anyways, okay. This is good stuff. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper towel. I'm going to clean it all the way in, nice and easy, so it's very clean. And there's no debris. Okay, now this is good stuff. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to add clear fluid. I have .4. Just going to add a little bit. Okay, all the way up to the top. Okay, this is good. This is where I want it. So now what I'm gonna do is I gotta put my my hose on top of this with my 10 millimeter wrench. So let's just put the 10 millimeter. Okay, maybe like this. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is fine. Take the hose and fit it right on top. Okay, and it's perfect. And now I'm going to crack it open. Okay, here we go. And we have fluid coming out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is okay, the fluid is coming out. Okay, good. Now I'm going to squeeze it here lightly a couple times. 1, 2. And you can see the fluid coming, and there's lots of bubbles coming out. Okay, so now I'm holding it. Okay, and I'm going to close it. Okay, and I'm going to pump it a couple times that way. Oh yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, I'm going to open it one more time. I did it a couple times up here, not a problem. I went through an entire little container, squeezing and closing, squeezing and closing. Now it's good to go. Now I'm just going to add to the right amount. Okay. Okay. and we are good to go. A little bit more. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, I have already closed this. This is good. So all I'm going to do right now, just going to put that little knob right on top, clean it right here, put this guy back, clean all these other items right here. Okay, here we go. That way everything is clean. And the floater. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, so now what we're going to do, here we go. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to put our cover. Not a problem. Everything's good. Okay. Now we're going to put our second cover. Okay. And I'm just going to put quickly those 3 screws. So yeah, I put those 3 screws back in, 1, 2, and 3. Cleaned everything up. This is what the level looks like. You can kind of see when I shake it. And the clutch feels very good. Very, very good. Wow. Okay. All right, so what we have learned in the last, I don't know, 10-15 minutes or so is how to replace the clutch fluid on the Kawasaki Concours 14. It's actually a very simple procedure. So if this video helped you out, please share and give me a like, and then I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.